Lessons for Quarter 2, Module 2. Causes and treatment of diseases of the major organs. Bones and muscles, injuries, and diseases. Its causes and treatment. Your bones and muscles work together to perform a specific function. You can walk, jump, run, sit, and do all things because of your bones and muscles. Think about how lucky you are of having been able to move freely. Our bones and muscles are strong and hard, but sometimes they get injured due to a bad fall. There are also some bone disorders that are acquired by birth. When we say injury, it is any harm or damage or an act or event that causes someone or something to no longer fully healthy or in good condition. When we say disease, it is an illness that affects a person, animal, or plant, or it is a condition that prevents the body or mind from working normally. Look at the pictures of children engaged in different activities. Let's identify them. The first one, yes. You're correct, basketball. The second one, it is the tug of war. And the last one is gymnastics. Our bones are strong and hard, but they sometimes get injured due to a bad fall or accidents. The following are examples of bone and muscle injuries. Fracture. It is a break in the bone. Dislocation occurs when a bone in the joint is displaced or has moved out on its proper position. Bruise. A muscle becomes black or blue due to blood clot when you get hit or when you bump into something hard. Cramps. A strong muscle contraction that can be very painful, lasting for a few minutes, but massaging the muscles can often relieve the pain. Sprain. An injury to a ligament caused by excessive stretching. A sprained ligament brings so much pain and swelling in the injured part. Here are some of the bone diseases. Arthritis. A common joint disorder characterized by inflammation of the fingers and joints of the body. It may occur to people of all ages, but is commonly observed in older people. Osteoporosis. It is a common disorder caused by the thinning and weakening of bones usually experienced by elderly people. The bones become brittle and weaker. Rickets. A bone condition caused by a deficiency in vitamin D usually observed in children. Persons with rickets have a very weak bones, causing bone deformation. Polio. It is an acute infection caused by a virus that attacks the nerve cells of the brain and spinal cord, resulting to paralysis. First aid treatment for bone injuries. When we say first aid, it is an activity done before professional medical help arrives to alleviate pain and prevent further injury. For fracture, let the injured person sit or lie down. Apply a cold compress to the injured part and wrap bandage around the affected area. For dislocation, let the person sit or lie down to avoid further injury. Do not try to pull or massage the affected area. Apply a cold compress and seek medical attention immediately. For sprain, let the person sit or lie down. Apply a cold compress to the sprain. If the wrist or elbow is injured, place it in a sling. Apply an elastic bandage that is not so tight on the sprained joint. And let the injured ankle or foot rest for 2 to 3 days. Common ailments related to digestion. Number 1, ulcer or hyperacidity, gastric pain or heartburn. Causes of it: not eating on time or too much intake of acidic drinks and food. The treatment can be: eat regularly and on time, avoid eating acidic food or liquor, and eat a balanced diet. For diarrhea, frequent moving of the bowel with watery stool. Causes of it: infection in the intestines by microorganisms. Another is irregular contraction of the intestines. Treatment: drink plenty of water and juices to prevent from loss of water in the body. Eat soft food during the onset of ailment. And proper hygiene prevents the disease. Proper handling of food. 3. Constipation is a difficult elimination of dry and hard stool or feces and heaviness of stomach. Causes: lack of water and fiber in food taken, or improper bowel movements. Treatment: drink plenty of water and juice. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Number 3, appendicitis. Inflammation of the appendix. Causes: irritation from undigested food that may block it. Treatment: get immediate medical attention. Number 5, indigestion, caused by too much or rapid eating or drinking. Causes: overeating and drinking, stress and anxiety, contaminated food or water with bacteria, and the treatment is change of eating habit or diet, and observe proper eating habits. Number 6, gastroenteritis, caused by bacterial infection from taking contaminated food and water. Causes: taking contaminated food and water. Treatment: get medical attention and take prescribed medicine. For your activity, you need to answer the following questions in your notebook. Number 1, what are the common bone and muscle injuries? And number 2, what are the ailments associated with the digestive system? Identify the causes and give the treatments. Thank you for watching and listening.